They're well in the entry level pricing, and if you can snatch up a deal on either Facebook Marketplace or on eBay or the used market or a local music store, you are in for the win. So the first one on the list is going to be DBX-160A. I have this on my desk. It's a 1U rack mount. It's a compressor. I've seen this being used over drums, on vocals, on cymbals, on guitars, on overhead microphones, on kicks, you name it. It's been on bass. I actually use it on bass and guitar, and it sounds amazing. I had someone in the studio also a couple of weeks ago to record vocals. I paid less than $200 for this piece of gear on eBay. I think I paid about $150. There's a software version of it. I've been using that for years. The DBX-160A, it does what it does, and it does it well. Number one, it's easy controls. You have your threshold, your ratio, and your gain button. They are very easily accessible, and you can actually bypass to see what you're doing. And then the gain meters, of course. What's compression without your meter? You can see the gain reduction meter in real time, and you can adjust your ratio and all that good stuff. It's a good way to get started with understanding what compression does, how to manage compression, and how to get your foot in the door when it comes to analog hardware in your studio unit. So that's the number one.